Teresita, the cartel queen of cocktail lovers, debuts in Indiranagar. Rich Boys Hospitality introduces a bold new cocktail bar redefining Bangalore's nightlife. Bangalore, October 2025, Rich Boys Hospitality announces the grand opening of Teresita, a bold new cocktail destination in Indiranagar, Bangalore on 29 October that promises to redefine Bangalore's nightlife. Dripping in tropical danger and cartel-inspired seduction, Teresita is more than a bar, it's a statement. Conceptualized by Ayushi Arora, Teresita redefines cocktail culture with a distinctly feminine yet dangerous edge, where every corner tells a story, every cocktail carries power, and every sip feels a little forbidden. Every empire begins with a woman they couldn't control. Teresita is that woman, seductive, dangerous, and unforgettable. We wanted to build a space where every guest feels that power, added Ayushi Arora, founder, Teresita. Drenched in the warmth of a perpetual sunset, Teresita's interiors blur the line between fantasy and rebellion. The space comes alive with hand-painted murals of powerful women, tropical palms, and bougainvillea trails that breathe life into the decadence. Hints of turquoise seating and antique gold accents create a hypnotic contrast, equal parts allure and authority. Teresita isn't just designed to be seen, it's designed to be felt, seductive, cinematic, and unmistakably queen-led. The cocktail program is helmed by an international mixology artist, flown in exclusively to craft Teresita's signature concoctions, a mix of bold, flirtatious classics and a special section of clean, health-conscious cocktails made with no artificial flavors. These signature drinks don't just please the palate, they command it. Crafted to seduce the senses, they redefine indulgence one sip at a time. To complement the drinks, the food menu showcases global flavors with a contemporary twist. Every dish mirrors the bar's personality, creative, bold, and irresistibly stylish. At the heart of Teresita lies a philosophy: pleasure has power. It's a space that celebrates the modern woman, confident, daring, and unafraid to take up space. Whether guests come to sip, flirt, dance, or dream, Teresita promises an experience that lingers long after the last drink. With its tagline, "The Cartel Queen of Cocktail Lovers," Teresita is set to become Bangalore's most talked about destination, an escape where rebellion meets
just for cocktails, and we have hired a person called Artem from Ukraine who will be curating cocktails at Teresita, and we have a limited food menu as well. Of course, we are not a food place, but then we have tried our best to offer some great food, some great fusion food, which is like we have some amazing dishes: Mexican avocado pastry, which is a vegetarian appetizer. Then we have like a mushroom puff kind of a pastry, which is a fusion of Indian and Italian. In terms of the main course, we have something like a mushroom risotto biryani. That's my own concept. I gave it to my chef, and it's like a mix of Indian plus Italian. We have almost 35 cocktails over here, out of which 14 are signature cocktails. We also have a section for people who are actually looking for something healthy. Like मैं खुद भी बहुत बार बाहर जाती हूँ और मेरा मन करता है कॉकटेल पीने का, बट मैं बोलती हूँ ओ नहीं यार, आई डोंट वांट टू हैव कॉकटेल्स बिकॉज उसमें बहुत शुगर रहेगा, सिरप रहेगा. बट that's not the case with Teresita cocktails. We have a special section of 6 cocktails which are made out of all healthy ingredients, like we have chia seeds, avocado pulp, lemongrass, hibiscus, jasmine tea, and etc. Like, so we have something for everyone over here. And this was mainly about Teresita, but the journey of Teresita was very interesting for me because she is inspired in a way that Teresita is not just the name of the bar, it's the name of a woman who is not afraid of anyone and is not afraid to take up any space in this world. She fights for herself, she has her own empire, and she has built this bar called Teresita for the love of her cocktails. She's trying to build a culture of cocktail lovers, and that's what we are trying to do here. She's a rebel and who fears no one and nothing. She has her own cartel. We call her the cartel leader, and yeah, that's about it. You will understand a lot more about Teresita once you visit Teresita's Instagram page, because we will be building a proper story of who Teresita is, and we will mention everything about the bar and her character on the page. Thank you.